Hi, I'm Anne.
And I'm Adam.
Welcome to Daily English Podcast. Hello, wonderful friends. Welcome back to our cozy podcast space. Today, we are going to look at 10 super sentences using compound verbs. That means putting two action words together like magic.
That is right, Anne. Sometimes one action word is just not enough. We want to run and jump, or sit and code, or stop and think. When we link two action words together in one sentence, everything sounds so much more alive and natural.
Exactly. Let's dive right in with our first sentence.
Let's get to it.
Sentence number 1. I want to learn English.
Look at that. We have two action words right next to each other. Want and learn.
Yes, when you want to do an action after another action word, we use to right in the middle to connect them like a tiny bridge. Want to learn, want to eat, want to sleep.
Speaking of wanting to eat, Anne, why did the cookie go to the hospital?
Why, Adam?
Because it felt crummy.
Oh, Adam, your jokes are a disaster. But they bring us smoothly to sentence number 2.
Sentence number 2 is, she loves to read books.
Here we go again. Loves is our first action word, and read is our second one. We put to in the middle. Loves to read. It flows like music.
Every time you feel strong happiness about doing something, you can use love to or like to. Like, I like to drink coffee every single morning.
Oh, nectar of the gods, yes. Speaking of coffee, remember when you tried to make coffee without plugging in the machine?
Do not remind me. I stood there waiting for magic for 20 minutes. Let's move on to the third sentence.
Sentence number 3.
We decided to start a podcast.
Ooh, I love this one. Decided is what happened in our minds, and start is the action we took. We connect them with to. Decided to start.
When you make a big choice with a friend, you decide to do something amazing together.
Exactly. And that leads us to sentence number 4, which is all about trying our best.
Sentence number 4. He tried to fix his computer.
Oh no, computer trouble. When something breaks, we try to fix it. Tried plus to plus fix. Two actions working as a team.
Sometimes the computer wins, and sometimes we win. But we always try to learn something new. Now, let's look at sentence number 5.
Sentence number 5. They hope to visit Paris soon.
Dreaming about travel. Hope is what we feel in our hearts, and visit is the wonderful trip we want to take. Hope to visit.
It is so simple. You just take your main feeling or choice, add the little word to, and put your next action right after. No heavy rules, just building blocks.
Wow, we already finished our first 5 sentences. Let's take a deep breath and step up to our next group, where actions change their clothes a little bit.
Yes. Let's look at sentence number 6.
Sentence number 6. I like swimming in the park lake.
Wait a minute. Look at that second action word. Swimming has an ing ending instead of a to. Why does it do that, Adam?
Because after words like, love, or enjoy, the next action word loves to wear an ing costume. It turns into a little action noun. Like swimming, love cooking, enjoy reading.
It is like giving the action a fun little hat. Instead of saying like to swim, you can say like swimming. Both are totally correct and supernatural.
Sentence number 7. She enjoys painting pictures.
Enjoys plus painting. Look at that ing hat again. When you have fun doing a hobby on a sunny afternoon, you enjoy doing it.
That reminds me of our art project last year when we tried to paint the studio wall and it looked like a rainbow explosion.
Yes, our cat walked right across the wet blue paint and left little footprints everywhere. Which brings us to sentence number 8.
Sentence number 8. We stopped talking when the music started.
Ooh, listen to those two actions, stopped and talking. When an ongoing action comes to an end, we use stopped plus the ing action.
Stopped talking, stopped running, stopped crying. It tells us the exact moment an action finished.
It is like pressing a pause button on a video player. Super clear and intuitive. Now let's look at sentence number 9.
Sentence number 9. He finished writing his code.
Finished plus writing. When you work hard on something, like a software project or a story, and you reach the very end, you finish doing it.
Oh, finishing code feels better than eating chocolate cake after a long day. Well, almost better.
Almost. And now we have arrived at our 10th and final sentence today.
Sentence number 10. I love helping our friends learn English.
Look at that gorgeous double action, love and helping. It wraps up everything we feel about this podcast.
We love creating these episodes, we love sharing stories, and we love helping everyone out there build their dreams step by step.
10 amazing sentences with compound verbs. No heavy grammar textbooks, just pure, natural English.
That is right. Just remember our 2 simple magic tricks. Either put to between your actions, like want to learn, or put the ing hat on the second action, like love learning.
Before we finish today, tell us in the comments, what do you love to do every weekend? And what are you enjoying doing right now?
We read every single comment with a big smile. If you loved learning natural English with us today, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.
Your support makes our future possible. Now, let's review our vocabulary.
Compound, made by putting 2 or more things together.
Action word, a word that shows movement or what someone is doing, like run or jump.
Bridge, something that connects 2 separate sides or things together.
Costume, special clothes worn to look different or fun.
Hobby, an activity that you love doing for fun in your free time.
Pause, to stop an action for a short moment.
Project, a big task or piece of work that takes time and planning.
Magic, something special and wonderful that makes things easy and fun.
Support, to help someone and give them encouragement.
Dream, a wonderful wish or goal for your future life.
And that's all for today.
Take care, everyone, and keep practicing your English every single day.
Goodbye.